To send cryptocurrency from Revolut to a Coinbase wallet, start by opening the Revolut app and selecting the crypto option from the bottom of the screen. If the crypto option is not visible, click on the Hub option and scroll down to the relevant section, where you will find it. Once you've accessed the crypto option, click on the search bar and search for the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, in this case, Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin from the search results, and you will be taken to a similar page for your chosen cryptocurrency. Click on the Send button. Then select the New button in the top right corner, and choose Crypto Wallet from the pop-up window. Next, select the network you want to use, and paste the wallet address in the designated area. To find the wallet address, open the Coinbase app, click on the search icon, and search for the same cryptocurrency you are transferring. Select the cryptocurrency, click on the Receive button, and copy the wallet address. Return to the Revolut app, paste the wallet address, and optionally name the wallet, for example, Coinbase Wallet. Click Continue. Enter the verification code sent to your registered phone number, and proceed. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Send, and review the transfer summary to ensure the wallet address, network, and amount are correct. Once you've verified the details, click Send, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from Revolut to your Coinbase wallet.